be. But, your wife and your boy kind of bickering back and forth and putting you in the middle is a little weird.
Do you want to tell her something? Do you know?
I have no idea.
I definitely think it's time to change the law. We're going to have two people very upset with you. We're about to set some boundaries.
Does Lamar know that you're doing this?
There's this girl group who I'm working with. This is not amateur hour. It's hard to book a band just based on what you're showing on the table.
Right.
I have a picky eater on my hands. You don't eat this, those, and anything green, forget it. And when her diet started to affect her development and growth, our pediatrician recommended Pediasure. It provides complete, balanced nutrition, so it helps fill the holes. Now, don't worry about her catching up.
Hi, baby.
Learn how to feed your kids' potential.
What are you doing down there? Are you having a ball? Oh.